Now let us see Oravakchira, Mesikchira or Avichira. Mesikchiram Guru Swadu Snikto Oshnam Kapha Pittakrit Sudhe Anilam Bhavit Patyang Sekecha Anila Sonite. Avichiram Sleshma Pitta Jananam, as per Charak Samhita Sutra Sthana 25th chapter. The rasa of Oraplakshira or Avichira is Madhura and Lavana. The gunas are Guru and Snikta. Briya is Ushna. Dosakarma is Pitta, Kapha, Samaka. They are Tarpana, they are Pirsha. It is useful in Asmari, Vata Zakasa, and in Vata Rakta. In Vata Rakta, used for fomentation process. Fomentation, Swedana. On excessive use of Avichira, it causes Hikka and Swasa. Now the sheep milk is Nikta, Ankuras are oily, Madhura are sweet. It is Guru, heavy to digest. It increases Pitta and Kapha, useful in Vata, increase, and when the person has become lean and lost weight due to increase of Vata dosa. Useful in Sofa or inflammation. Now Mahishakshira as per Bhavaprakas Nikhantu, Mahisham Madhuram Karpyat Snigdam. Suprakaram Kuruhu, Nidrakaram Avishyandi Khuda Adhikyaharam Himam. The rasa of Mahishakshira or Vavelu milk is Madhura. It is Guru and Snigdha Gura, Madhura Vipaka and Sita Varya. The dosa karma is Kapha Varadhaka. And the karma or the systemic action are Sukrala, Nidrajanaka, Avishyandikara and Stanyajana. The best among Nidrajanana is Mahishakshira. Buffalo milk is Guru, heavier than cow's milk, cold compared to cow's milk. It has more untouchness, more oiliness, and it is useful for persons suffering from insomnia, sleeplessness, and for too rapid digestion. Those who are having Bhasmaka Roga, those who are having too rapid digestion. Karenukchira or Hastinikchira. Bringhanang Hastini Duktang Madhurang Tuvarang Guru Prishyang Valyang Hemang Snigdhang Chaksusham Sthiratakaram. The rasa of Hastinikchira is Madhura and Kasaya. The guna is Guru and Snigdha. The Vipaka is Madhura. Virya is Sita. Dosa karma is Vata Pitta Samaka. The karma or the sangsanic karma or systemic action are Valya, Vrimhana, Vrishya, Chaksushya and Stheriakara. Now the elephant milk is Kasayam, that is astringent. Guru, heavy for digestion. Ushnam, hot in potency. Kapha Mutra Apaham, alleviates kapha and urine related ailments. Ostrakchira or camel's milk. Ostrang Dugdhang Laghu Swadu Lavadang Deepanang Tata Krimi Kushta Kapha Anaha Sotha Udaraharam Saram. The rasa of Ostrakchira are Madhura and Lavana, Laghu and Saraguna, Madhura Vipaka, and Deepana and Sotha in nature. Rogagnata, it is good for krimi, worm infestation, Kushta, skin disease, Sotha, swelling, Anaha, flatulence, Udara Vikara, the disease of the abdomen. Camel milk is ruksha or dry, ushna, hot, slightly salted. Laghu, light to digest, useful for anaha, bloating, constipation, parasitic infection, edema, ascites, piles, and other diseases due to vitiation of vata and kapha. Vadavakchira or Asvakchira. Ruksha Ushnang Vadava Chirang Balyang Sosa Anila Apaham Amlang Katu Laghu Swadu Sarbam Ekasafang Tatha. The ras is Amla and Lavana. It is Laghu and Ruksha Guna. its birja is Ushna and dosa karma is Vatasamaka. The sangsthanic karma or the systemic karma is Balya and Sosahara. The horse milk or Ekasafa, those animals which are having one hood. Madhura Rasa, sweet taste. Balakara, improves strength and immunity. Varnya, improves skin tone and complexion, reduces sweating and burning sensation. Chakshusya, it improves vision, good for eyes, useful in eye disorders. Increases dosas, especially Vatavardhakara. Now let us say Narikshira, human milk. Narya Laghu Payaha Setang Deepanang Vatapittajit Chakchu Shula Avighataghnang Nashya Ashyotana Urvaram. The rasa of Narikshira is Madhura, Guna is Laghu and Snigdha, Vipaka is Madhura, Birya is Sita, Dosha karma is Vata Pitta Shamaka, Sangsthanic karma is Deepana, Saksu Shulakana, pain associated to your eyes, Rogagnata, Nasagata Raktapitta, bleeding disorders of nose, Netra Roga, eye disorders. The human milk is invigorating, nourishing, wholesome, and oleating. As an inhalation, it is useful for Raktapitta, which is hemothermia. It is also soothing for persons having pain in eyes. Now, the curd. Curd is Rochana. It improves taste and appetizer. Curd is Deepana, improves digestion strength. Vrishya, aphrodisiac. Snehana, it impairs oiliness. Valavardhana, improves strength and immunity. Amla Vipaka, sour taste after digestion. Ushna, it is hot in potency. Vatagna, balances Vata. Mangalya, auspicious. Brahmana, improves nourishment, and it is useful in pinasa or rhinitis, atisara, diarrhea, sitaka, fever with cold, vishamjara, regular, irregular fever. Aruchi is anorexia. Now let us see creams. Immature curd aggravates all the three dosa. Curd in its primary stage alleviates Vata. Cream of curd is Sukrala. Improves male and female reproductive system. Improves semen, sperm quality and quantity. They alleviates Kapha as well as Vata and also clears the channels of circulation. Regarding buttermilk is useful in SOFA or edema, URSA, hemorrhoids, Grahani, malabsorption syndrome, irritable bowel syndrome, Mutra Graha, urine retention, Udara rogas, ascites, Aruchi, anorexia, lack of interest in food. Sneha Vyapada, in cases of ghee and fat indigestion, buttermilk has to be given. Affliction with Garavisa. Garavisa is a type of poison. Pandu, anemia, initial stages of liver disorders. It is also used for alleviating the complications of oleation therapy. Snehana karma. Now the benefits of butter. Fresh butter is digestive, stimulant and cardiotonic. It is useful in malabsorption syndrome, which is irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, pies, facial paralysis and anorexia. Ghee. Cow's ghee promotes memory. Cow's ghee promotes intellect. It promotes power of digestion. It promotes semen, ojas, kapha, and fat. It alleviates vata and pitta doses. Visha, in toxic conditions, ghee is useful. Unmada, insanity. Sosa, emaciation. Alakshmihara, it is auspicious. It is the best of all unctuous substances. All snehana drabyas, ghee is the best. Cold in potency, sweeter badiya, and sweet both in taste as well as vipak. Madhur rasa, madhur vipak. When administered according to the prescribed procedure, it increases 1,000 times the potency and develops manifold utilities. Old ghee or Purana Greta. Old cow ghee is useful in murder, intoxication, apasmara, epilepsy, murcha, fainting, shosha, emaciation, unmada, schizophrenia, insanity, garavisha, remnant poisons, zwara, fever, pain in the ear, head as well as female genital tract. Properties of ghee of other animals, which goat ghee, sheep ghee, and buffalo ghee, are of the same qualities as those of their milks, respective milks. So thank you so much.